Hello and welcome back. I hope you're enjoying these tutorials about SQS. Today I've got one more and we're talking about short polling and long polling. So let's start with short polling. Short polling is the default behavior in SQS. So here we've got a queue and a consumer, and basically the consumer will come to the queue and instantly get a response. In this case, there's no new messages for the consumer. Their response is nothing. Then you'll ask again for new messages at some point, again nothing, and then maybe a message will arrive, the consumer will ask for new messages, and that message will be returned to the consumer. So as you can see, the advantage of short polling is that you get a response immediately, whether it's empty or it's got a message. But the drawback is that you have to do more requests, send more messages, and this will result in higher costs because there are costs associated with polling. Now with long polling, there's a queue, there's a consumer, you send a request for messages, and then you can set up a period of time to wait. It can be between 1 and 20 seconds. And after this time runs out, or you get a message, whatever comes first, whether you receive a message that you can take from the queue, or this timer runs out, then you get a response. And so the advantage of long polling is that this reduces the number of empty responses, it reduces the cost, it also reduces the overall network traffic and latency, and makes things more efficient. So look out for this on the exam if it's asking you how to make a polling of a queue more efficient, or reduce latency, reduce network traffic, or reduce costs. All of that would be long polling, and in general, long polling is more advisable than short polling. Here's a quick summary of what we discussed. I look forward to seeing you back here next time, and until then, enjoy the cloud.